In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually remove villagers from your village. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, the easiest way is to actually begin by breaking their bed. Now, as you can see, once you break their bed, you are going to have to talk to them because they have a warning up here. And they're going to say that they are thinking of leaving and they don't have a bed. And it'll say that if you want them to stay, they'll need a bed. And then if there is no bed, they are going to be leaving in 5 days. So you can say, leave right now, or you can, if this is not the villager you wanted to leave, you can tell them to stay and recreate their bed. That's really all there is to it. You're just going to need to break their bed. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.